Welcome to the American Accent course. I'm Lisa Moisen, and I'll be your instructor. In the following lessons, you're going to learn some advanced rules that you absolutely must know in order to sound like a native speaker. You will learn when to connect words together and how to connect them and why we connect them. This will create the natural sounding speech that native speakers have. You will also learn how to reduce words and when we reduce them and why we reduce them. This will help your stress and your melody. Also, you're going to learn some important exceptions and some very difficult words to pronounce. Some of the most common mistakes that my students make are going to be included in these lessons. And finally, you will learn the difference between casual speech and formal speech, so that you can know how to speak appropriately in different situations. I want you to remember that as soon as you learn these rules, try to apply them to the real world. Try to speak with people, or even speak with yourself, thinking about the rules that you've just learned. All right, let's get started.